welcome back to my channel. It's Palak here, and how you all are doing? I hope you all are doing well. And if you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. So today I will be showing you that how to achieve this kind of makeup look without foundation. So if you're interested to know that how I achieve this makeup look without foundation, then keep watching. Firstly, I am applying moisturizer to my face just to maintain a layer between my face and the makeup. And then after that you can apply primer if you want. I am just skipping the primer over here. Now I am applying concealer under my eyes and the other areas of my face. Once you are done with the blending of concealer, take BB cream onto your fingers and then apply it all over your face. Now I am using this Kryolan translucent powder so that my face doesn't look much oily. Now I am applying eyeshadow to my eyes using this purple color. Now I am applying eyeliner to my eyes. I am not creating a wing eyeliner. If you want, you can create wing also. Now I am applying lip liner.
It gives a perfect shape and definition to your lips. And at the end, this Revlon lip color.
So I hope that you have enjoyed it and you like this makeup look which is without foundation. So there is nothing like if you get out of makeup products, then you can achieve any kind of makeup look anywhere and anytime you want. It is not about the makeup products. So I hope that you like this video. Make sure to hit the like button and I will be coming in my next video. Bye bye till then. Stay happy, stay connected and do as much as masti as you can, क्योंकि लाइफ तो एक बार ही मिलती है. Bye bye.